Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Revit crashing on your Windows computer. If Revit closes unexpectedly while opening a project or crashes during your work, there are several effective troubleshooting steps you can try. So let's get started. First, save and back up your project files if possible, then restart your computer. Restarting Windows clears temporary system issues and releases memory that may be causing Revit to become unstable. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of Revit. Open Autodesk Access and install any available updates or hotfixes. Keeping Revit up to date often resolves known bugs and improves overall stability. If the crashes continue, update your graphics driver to the latest version recommended by your hardware manufacturer. Outdated or incompatible graphics drivers are a common cause of crashes in graphics-intensive applications like Revit. You can also try disabling hardware acceleration in Revit if the application opens long enough to access the settings. Another useful step is to open a different Revit project. If only one file crashes, the project itself may be damaged. In that case, restore a backup, use an earlier version of the file, or create a new project and transfer the necessary elements. If Revit crashes with every project, repair the installation using installed apps or programs and features in Windows. If repairing doesn't solve the issue, uninstall Revit completely and install the latest version from the official Autodesk website, and that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Revit crashing and restore stable performance. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back.